You're the oldest man in the world. That's Bob Waiton, 111. Very, very happy birthday, Bob. Right, shall we move on to the weekend's weather? Look ahead to that. And another storm?
Storm Jorge. Yes, Jorge. Named
Spanish?
by the
Do you mean
Spanish.
George? Yeah.
Yes, well, that's what it looks like. It looks like George, but it's pronounced Jorge.
Okay.
But we do have some weather warnings over the next few days. Let's take a look at your pictures. Rosie Tatner sent us this picture of a string of racehorses in the snow in Lambourne this morning.
Angela Wall just took this shot of the snow. That's at the Chilterns in Buckinghamshire. Quite a bit there.
And Faye Boyett with the scene in Putnam in Surrey.
So we did have some snow first thing this morning in many places north of the region, but that did disappear very quickly with the rising temperatures. This scene was captured earlier on this afternoon by one of our weather watchers in Salisbury. Now, through the course of tomorrow, there is a Met Office rain warning in force for Dorset, for southwestern areas of the country, and heavy rain and gusty winds in most places. So the winds will really strengthen through the day tomorrow. It's a fairly quiet night initially. We'll have clear skies, allowing temperatures to fall away, but the winds will start to strengthen and the cloud will start to increase from the southwest. We're looking at lows of around -1 Celsius. So tomorrow morning, that's where we have the rain warning. I'll just stand aside so you can see it's for parts of Dorset and the southwestern part of the country. Here we do have a number of flood warnings, so it's worth checking with the Environment Agency on their website to see if your area is affected. Now, tomorrow morning, that's when we'll see the heavy rain moving its way in from the southwest, engulfing much of the region. And this could cause some localised flooding, even some flooding in many places, with temperatures tomorrow peaking at around 11 or 12 Celsius. But the winds will be fairly gusty, gusts of between 40 and 45 miles per hour in some areas, particularly along coastal stretches. So on the inshore waters, the winds are southerly, veering southwesterly, 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9. The visibility is moderate or poor, occasionally good later, and the sea state is rough or very rough. Further showers tomorrow night, and then a brief respite before we start to see rain push in during the early hours of Saturday morning, and that could be quite heavy with its strengthening winds. And that's Storm Jorge heading our way. Temperatures tomorrow night down to mild 9 to 10 Celsius. So a mild start to Saturday, but a fairly gusty one. This cold front will produce some very strong squally winds as it moves through. It will clear most places during the latter part of the morning, so some sunny spells to be had, the odd shower, but the winds will still remain strong. Now, there is a Met Office wind warning in force for this area. I'll show you, this is the area affected. 60 mile an hour gusts along the south coast, and inland we're looking at 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts. So that could cause some travel disruption. That Met Office warning is in force from midday on Saturday until midday on Sunday. So some very squally conditions over the weekend. Here's the outlook for the rest of the week. We do have a lot of rain tomorrow that could cause localised flooding and surface water on the roads. Saturday, Storm Jorge arrives during the middle part of the day until Sunday, and then into Monday, slightly quieter with some sunshine. Sally.
He's going with George.
Yeah,
I know.
It's
easy to say, isn't
Bye,
it?
George.
Tomorrow.
Yes. Well, after all this weather, what do you reckon? Motocross, British Motocross Grand Prix is coming to Winchester.
That's going to be very muddy. Join us tomorrow night if you can. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.